Hello friends, welcome to Octocoder. Today we are going to learn how to make glowing button. So this is our final output. Now we are going to learn how to create this button. So let's create now how to make that glowing button. So let's start. Here we are going to use internal style CSS because the code is not very big, so we just use internal style CSS. Let's give background color for the body tag. Let's check, save this file, opening the browser. Yeah, looking nice. So let's take an anchor tag here and say follow. Let's give here link. This is Facebook October page link. Now let's give it anchor tag style CSS. So I'll just fast forward it here.
I got sunshine all over my face, blue skies in your eyes, yeah, the clearest day. We're lying down in the green grass, talking slow, but my heart's beating real fast. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a real good day. Got some air in my lungs, I can finally breathe. Never felt this high, never felt this free. My feet was trapped in between four walls till you tossed me around and told me to let go. Now I can feel the ground beneath my feet. I can feel the ground, I can feel the ground. All the worries are washing all away. Rose-colored glasses, I need to stay. All of my issues, all of my
Now the simple is done. So now we just going to add on hover style CSS. When your cursor go on this button, then it will be glow. So now we will do that. Let's start.
gonna be a good day, good day, good day. It's gonna be, don't know what it did, but I feel brand new. No point looking back on what I've been through. Yeah, I'm done handing out on my loose change, 'cause I was giving it away just to feel something, and I don't ever wanna feel that way. All the worries are washing all away. Rose-colored glasses, I need to stay. All of my issues, all of my problems.
Now let's check on hover how it is looking. Refresh the file. When your cursor will go on this button, then it will glow.
Good day, good
Let's see. So now see, it's looking nice. But here transition is getting very fast. So let's give transition. Now see, it will be slow. So that's how to create a glowing button. Now it's looking nice. So you know how to do it now.